Man, this day is dragging. What can we even do? Stretching, sighs, no clue. Eat another sandwich? Shrugs. Nah, let's do something wild. How about a quick drive? The solar system. Grinning. The solar system? Dude, I can't even afford the local gas prices. What am I supposed to tell my dad? Sorry, Dad. I burnt the tires on Mars. Blinking. Relax, buddy. It's just a quick loop. 2 hours tops. We'll be back before your dad finishes his afternoon nap. Laughing. Yeah, or before he sells the car to pay for the gas. Half smiling. You know, this place is actually moving away from Earth about 3.8 centimeters every year. Great. So it's not just my X that keeps drifting away. And there's no atmosphere here, which means no wind, no sound, and no pizza delivery. Wait, so we came all this way and you didn't pack cheese? First stop, the moon. Just 384,400 kilometers from Earth. Cost of gas to get here? Well, let's just say their wallets are already feeling a little lighter in the moon's gravity. You sure the GPS knows where Mercury is? Last time it took us to a sandwich shop in Cairo. Relax, just follow the sun. It's literally the bright thing ahead. Speaking of bright, is it true Mercury can fry an egg on the hood? Yeah, and probably cook the whole chicken too. Next stop, Mercury, where sunscreen is useless and shade is just a rumor. Well, we made it. Mercury feels like standing next to a toaster on steroids. Yeah, and no atmosphere, so basically sunscreen is just for emotional support. How's the fuel gauge looking? We're fine, as long as we don't turn the AC on. Oh wait, we don't have AC. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, but with the biggest mood swings. Daytime temperatures can roast you at 430 degrees Celsius, and nights can freeze you at 180 degrees Celsius. It's a world with almost no atmosphere, bombarded by the sun's radiation. And despite being closest to the sun, it's not the hottest planet. That title belongs to Venus. Here, time plays tricks. One Mercury day lasts almost 59 Earth days, meaning you could have the longest sunrise of your life, if you can survive long enough to see it. So, Venus, isn't that the planet they call Earth's twin? Yeah, except this twin surface could melt lead. Kinda a deal breaker. Good thing we're bringing donuts, not ice cream. Still worried about the car? Hope the AC works in 470 degrees Celsius. Wow, feels like opening the oven mid-bake. Nah, ovens are cooler than this place. How do you survive here? You don't. You just make a quick Instagram post and leave. Venus, our so-called twin, is a furnace wrapped in toxic clouds of sulfuric acid. Its surface is hot enough to melt lead, and the air pressure is like being 1 kilometer under the sea. Strangely, a day on Venus is longer than a year here. It rotates so slowly that the sun rises only twice per Venusian year. A day here is longer than a year. Imagine that Monday. Mars, here we come! The red planet! Hope it's not red because of a parking violation. Nah, more like a giant dust storm waiting to mess up your car wash. Great, I'll bring a vacuum instead of sunscreen. So, where's the green Martians? Probably hiding until we pay for the fuel. Mars, often called the Red Planet, is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its surface is covered in iron oxide dust, giving it that red color. Scientists believe it once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Some think it might still hold life, just not the kind that waves at passing tourists in convertibles. You think the car will make it to Jupiter? Sure, if the fuel gauge doesn't faint before we do. And what about parking? I heard it's all gas up there. Perfect, maybe we can just float in. Wow, biggest planet in the solar system. Yeah, and my stomach says biggest burger stop too. You think the Great Red Spot is dangerous? Nah, it's just been storming for 400 years. We'll be fine. Jupiter isn't just the largest planet. It's a cosmic heavyweight, twice as massive as all other planets combined. Its iconic Great Red Spot is a storm so huge it could swallow Earth 3 times over, and it's been raging for centuries. Jupiter's powerful magnetic field and over 90 moons make it a miniature solar system, and beneath those swirling clouds, possibly a dense rocky core, but no one has seen it. Gas giant or mystery vault? Only future missions will tell. How long till we get there? About 6 years. If we don't hit space traffic. 6 years? I'm gonna need a bigger playlist. And maybe a beard by the time we arrive. So, this is Saturn. Not bad. Yeah, just don't drop your donut. Gravity here will make it fall real slow. Cool. More time to regret it. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Known for its spectacular rings made of ice and rock, it's so light it could actually float in water, if you could find a bathtub big enough. Its winds reach 1,800 kilometers per hour, faster than most fighter jets. And here's the kicker. It has more than 140 moons, each with its own strange story. We're almost there, and yep, I'm still laughing at the name. Please behave. We're guests of the 7th planet. Do you think they have a welcome to Uranus sign? If they do, I'm taking a selfie with it. It's tilted! The whole planet is sideways. Looks like someone took chill way too seriously. How do you even get seasons here? Easy. 1 season every 21 years. Pack a big suitcase. Uranus spins almost completely on its side, tilted 98 degrees compared to the Sun. Likely the result of a massive ancient impact. This tilt causes extreme seasons, each lasting over 2 decades. Its bluish-green color comes from methane gas absorbing red light. Scientists are still puzzled why Uranus gives off almost no heat compared to other giant planets. Last stop, Neptune, the deep blue mystery. I hope they have a gift shop. We're running low on souvenirs. And oxygen. A small problem. Whoa, that wind nearly stole my hat. Careful, it might start orbiting faster than the moon. Is it always this stormy? Yep, welcome to the solar system's ultimate wind tunnel. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, up to 2,100 kilometers per h, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. It's the farthest planet from the sun, yet it has wild, violent weather. Its deep blue color comes from methane and unknown atmospheric chemicals. Astronomers still debate why this frigid planet radiates more heat than it receives from the sun. Sighs, we've been driving for months, and for what? To find out space has no rest stops. My back hurts more than my wallet. Let's just finish this game. Winner drives home. After crossing billions of kilometers, they reach the edge of the known solar system. No more planets, no more fuel, just the quiet hum of endless space. And there, 2 travelers learned sometimes the real journey is knowing when to stop.